Alrighty guys, today for our math, we are going to go back to something that I know you've seen and done before, and that's frequency tables. Just a couple of things to go over and remember. Frequency tables sounds crazier than what it is. Frequency just means how often an event occurs. So when we're looking at a set of data, so this is easy to read, but it's not very easy to calculate, right? So it takes me some time to go through and count each of these totals. Whereas with the frequency table, I have the type, in this case pizza. So what is it that we're talking about? It will show tallies, so how many, showing a tally for each kind of pizza. And then frequency is the number that's represented by the tallies. So let's do this thing as an example. We have 3 different types of pizza. I see cheese, I see pepperoni, and I see sausage pizza. So now I'm just going to go across and tally how many people chose cheese pizza from the Science Club, and then I'm going to give a number for the number of people, including, so looking at the tallies. So for cheese, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people chose cheese, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you cross at 5. Make sure it's really easy to tell. If it was 6, we'd space this out so it doesn't look like they're all grouped together. Make it obvious. And then my frequency is the number, so 5 people chose cheese. So that's what you're going to be doing for this one, and then this one underneath as well. This one's talking about pets. So you'd put your type of pets, your tally, and your frequency. And then the other thing that you want to notice is that we can turn frequency tables into bar graphs or line graphs. So what you're going to do for this one is it asks you to make this into a bar graph. So I'm going to look at all the data that I have. We have our sports, and then the tallies show us how many friends chose soccer, baseball, football, basketball as their favorite. Okay, so that goes together. The back side should be good on your own. You're looking at this tally chart, frequency chart, to answer these questions that go with it. And then for number 12, that's the very last one, you're going to look at the frequency data, her work, and decide what is it that she did. Oh, I'm sorry, that's for this one. What is her mistake that she made? Okay, so there's a mistake here. And then last but not least, this is the last one. Explain the information, how the information in a frequency table could be represented in another way. So think about going back. We did that actually on one of these problems. Are there types of graphs? Are there other types of graphs even other than bar graphs that could be represented? Is there another way that I could show this data besides a frequency chart? Make sure when you finish that you go back and practice that GIM kit for our conversions quiz, and then complete the Splash Learn activity as well.